All right, welcome back to the channel. This is for the Tesla peeps. I'll tell you what, I got something awesome. Yoke steering wheel, seriously? I'm excited about this one. Let's check it out. No way, look at that. That thing's awesome. Yeah, let's get this put in right away. All right, now that we got it installed, I gotta say right away, I'm thinking, wow, the visibility is insane. There's no top to it. So the normal steering wheel does cut down on a little bit of visibility, and this opens it wide open. The stitch work on this wheel, it looks absolute factory. The roll knobs, everything about it looks OEM. I'll tell you what, and as I'm sitting here, I'm thinking this feels like you're in an aircraft cockpit or a rocket ship. If you want to be in a rocket ship, this is the one for you right here. Now, this isn't for everybody. Some people like the traditional steering wheel. I get it. But if you want something cool, something that's going to make you happy every time you drive the car, this is worth considering for sure. Okay, so we talked about it enough. Let's get it out there, get it on the road, and see how it drives. So my first impressions right off the bat, I mean, it's just not that hard to get used to. It's got a good feel to it. My hands tend to lay nicely right on here. I like these thumb areas where you can kind of use that in the turns if you want to. So normal driving, just very small inputs, and it does quite a bit of turning. It's only in the parking lots where you're gonna, experience like full 360-degree wheel turns, and you'll have to get used to the difference. But okay, let's go down in this parking lot here and do some turns. And again, I find myself grabbing these knobs on there on the yoke. And let's do some real turning here. You just manipulate your hands around. It's not hard. Here we are, we're into a spot. Alright, reverse. Now this is where I find that you don't want to just let it go like normal. In a normal car, you'd let it go and modulate the wheel, but you really can't do that. So, it feels sloppy when you do that. So I kind of learned right away, and this is kind of how I like to do it. So that's straight. Let's go reverse. Just kind of work it around. Very easily, just like that. Boom. Done. Easy. Okay, so that drove really nice. I have to say, after about a half a second, I adapted to it no problem. So some of the initial concerns with people is, are you going to miss that top piece? You're going to grab for it. Is it there? No, it's not. But very quickly you adapt, and you start to not even remember what it was like to have a steering wheel, the traditional one. So it's very easy to adapt. It drove nice. I'll tell you what, you feel like a rock star in this thing, man. You grab on and you get into the corner and you're going for it, and it feels good, and that's what it's all about. Tell me what you think down below. Do you like the yoke steering wheel? I know not everybody will, and I still have my traditional wheel, and I'm not going to get rid of that, but for now, I'm digging this thing. Tell me what you think. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. This is a pretty cool channel. At least I think so. And we'll see you on the next one. Yeah! So after driving around with this yoke steering wheel for several weeks now, I like it so much. The quality's really good. I've been enjoying it. I wanted to share something with you guys. I reached out to Dylan at Hansshow, which is a company that does all kinds of Tesla accessories, and I said, man, you gotta give my viewers, my subscribers, a good deal on this thing. He said, Jeremy, your channel is insane and we love you, man. We're gonna give you 15% off. So put Hawaii Detailing in the discount code and 15%'s yours.